Well, I just had a great stay at Moon Lake, North Dakota. I met a big group of people that were local, just, chilling out for the weekend. And they were nice enough to have me over and party, and they fed me. And, we exchanged stories. They gave me a few places to go check out, which I'm going to Fort Ransom right now on their recommendation. I don't know if there's any free camping over there, but, it's early, so we can check out Fort Ransom and, go from there, man. But, again, no hurry here, man. Matter of fact, I'm doing 25 miles an hour right now down a dirt road, so no hurry. Anyhow, thanks for watching Damn the Consequences. It makes it real fun knowing that people are watching. It's always great to get a comment and a like. And I can't thank you enough, guys. Damn the Consequences. Also, the storyteller systems are running great. I sat there for, Friday, all Saturday, and it's 10 o'clock Sunday, or it's 11 o'clock Sunday morning. I still have 70% of my battery left, and that was using the lights, the refrigerator. The only thing I didn't use was the air conditioning. And I'll tell you, if you don't use the air conditioning, you got days of battery life. I could have sat there for another 2-3 days without starting the engine. The systems on the storyteller are just awesome. The hot water, the hot water circulation, everything, man. I've just been having a great time. You saw me fix the microwave, which was super simple. Anyhow, I can't say enough about how good this machine is. When everything is working, it is freaking awesome. And everything has been working. So, nothing bad to say here. Loving it. And I'm on my way to Fort Ransom. Talk to you later. Flat tip. Of course, you got Phillips. Air pump station. Hand operated. That's cool. Here we go to the waterfall. Hopefully it's worth the 3 miles. Whew. When did 1.5 miles become so long? My God. All right, let's knock out this last 1.5 miles and see the falls here in North Dakota. See you down there. Right back at you. Those lying bastards. What are they using, the metric system around here or what? After about 3 grueling miles of hiking, here I am at Lansing Falls, the only waterfall in North Dakota. So not only is it the only waterfall, it's the biggest waterfall. It's damn near 6'5", 6'6". Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Anyway, it was definitely worth the hike out here. Beautiful trails. Jesus Christ. Met a couple of cool people. A couple different groups. And the one group did warn me, if you're just going to see the waterfall and not enjoying nature, you might be disappointed. But it is all about enjoying nature here on Band the Consequences. There's a cave back in there. Wonder where the hell that goes. Why don't you check? I'll stay here, okay? Anyhow, thanks for watching Band the Consequences. And I'm thirsty. I didn't bring enough water with me. Alright guys, there's another look at the falls. Might be more impressive from where you're at now, but anyhow, it's the only falls in North Dakota. So, kudos to the falls. There it is. Anyhow, I did learn that 3 miles is about the max height I want to take. Wait a minute. 3 miles in. That means I need to go 3 miles back out. Oh man, do they have horse Ubers? Man, horse Ubers, hell of an idea. Shark Tank, look out, horse Ubers. Anyhow, I'm going to take a break and chill, finish what little water I brought with me, and we'll hike the 3 miles out and find a new place to scrutinize. No, this was awesome. Great hike, beautiful falls, all 6'5" of it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again for watching Van the Consequences. Alright guys, I'm doing 60 miles an hour on a relatively flat section of interstate in North Dakota. I would say I'm slightly going uphill right now, but I thought you'd like to see what kind of gas mileage you can get at 60 miles an hour. Again, pretty level, slightly uphill, but you know, shit man, 17 miles a gallon ain't bad. I'm down to 15. Like I say, we're going slightly uphill here, but anyhow, not the best, not the worst. That's about a minute now. Looks like the best I'm doing is about 16. Anyhow, thought you might be curious. There, dropped under 16 again. Big semi going by. Yeah, 16. There we go, 17. 19. What's up? Must be going downhill a little. Anyhow, there you have it. Mileage 60 miles an hour. Well, this is the road to our camp spot tonight. We got about 1.25 miles to go down this road, and then we turn right. And it is pretty freaking beautiful. I'll get back to you here when we get parked. Look at that shit. Oh man, it's like a freaking cowboy movie. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
Turn right.
Check out this canyon I'm going through. It looks so cool. It's beautiful. Man, I think it's gonna be free camping. Alright, I'll get back to you. Man, I feel like an Indian's gonna shoot an arrow at me. Alright. Man, it's so beautiful. Alright, I'll let you go. I'll go get camping. Maybe I'll bring you back before then. Here we go. Up the hill. It's supposed to be really windy here, and it is.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
Alright, how's that for a campsite? What a freaking view. Goes on forever down there. I wish I had a cowboy hat. Alright, talk to you guys later. Made it to camp. I may have to spend a couple days here just to soak this in. Later.
What do you think, Johnny?